In a standard Android phone, the system manages speakers and headphones directly, without much abstraction. In a car environment, however, the architecture is very different and more structured. Android Automotive uses a specialized output device type called audio_device_out_bus to communicate with vehicle audio hardware. This bus-based approach allows Android to remain generic, while the vehicle controls the actual sound paths.
The bus device supports what are called addressable ports, which act as endpoints for physical audio streams. You can think of the bus as a main highway and the ports as specific exits. For example, one port may feed front speakers, another may feed rear speakers, and another may target only the driver headrest speakers. A very simple implementation may use a single bus port for all Android sounds. In that case, Android mixes everything into one physical stream. A more advanced and professional setup provides separate bus ports for each car audio context. This allows the vehicle hardware, not Android, to fully control how sounds like music, calls, and navigation are mixed and positioned inside the cabin. Quick insight. In many modern vehicles, engineers intentionally use multiple bus ports to enable hardware-level ducking. When music and navigation prompts are routed through different ports, the HAL can smoothly lower music volume during navigation prompts. This hardware-based ducking sounds more natural and avoids abrupt software volume changes.